First term, second summative test for grade 4. Tandaan mo lang, perimeter, yun yung bakod. Question number 1. A parallelogram has adjacent sides measuring 18 centimeters and 7 centimeters. What is its perimeter? A, B, C, D. Pag perimeter, i-add mo lang ang mga sides. Number 2. Each side of a rhombus-shaped tile is 13 centimeters long. Yung bakod, gilid, i-add mong lahat. Number 3, a trapezoid has side lengths of 12 meters, 15 meters, 9 meters, and 14 meters. What is its perimeter? Number 4, the four sides of a regular quadrilateral measure 21 centimeters, 16 centimeters, 18 centimeters, and 25 centimeters. What is its perimeter? A, B, C, D. Number 5. Two squares with side length 6 centimeters are joined side by side along one complete side. What is the perimeter of the resulting rectangle? A, B, C, D. Number 6. Which is the correct word form of A, B, C, D? Number 7, which numeral is written as 732,045? A, B, C, D. Number 8, what is the value of the digit 6 in 264,951? A, B, C, D. Number 9. What digit is in the hundreds place in 719,482? A, B, C, D. Number 10. Which numeral correctly represents 900,072? A, B, C, D. For grade 4, 1 to 20 yan, dyan iikot sa 10 yan ang mga questions.